Here is my brand new 2012 complete bike. It's a United Supreme su3 in flat black and gold. It's pretty sweet. Pretty much everything on it's United except for a few things. United complete grips. United bars, 8.5-inch rise, 28 inches wide. United CNC machine stem, it's really light. It's United tapered forks with cinema hubs and wheels with duo stunner 2.2 tires, front and back. Of course, United frame with removable brake mounts. United padded pivotal seat with a built-in seat post. Gold half-link chain, not sure what brand. I think these are Fly Rubin graphite pedals. Really nice, actually. I really like them. More cinema hubs and United 25-tooth alloy sprocket, sealed mid ball bearings, and Odyssey bar ends. Yeah, my new bike. Here's a hub sound check. Yep. Weighs about 23 pounds with the brakes and brake mounts off.